I'm sorry.
Anatoly, the gym prankster, astounds with his antics. He surprises bodybuilders with unexpected strength, playfully flirts with gym girls, and takes on heavy weights effortlessly. Whether it's lifting heavy chest presses, teasing about skinny legs, or creating lighthearted moments, Anatoly keeps the gym buzzing with laughter and amazement. His pranks are the highlight of every workout session.
I have one question. Maybe can I do with you this is exercise?
Let's go. One more. Let's go. Let's go.
Just one set, please.
Just one?
One set, okay? I think I need more weights.
Good. It's good weight, brother. And good muscle.
Good weight?
It's natural arms.
Yeah.
And squeeze your back here. I'm sorry. Yeah. I don't touch, but squeeze. Yeah. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah. Excuse me. Can I clean a little bit here? I'm sorry. Warm up. I'm sorry. How long you're training? Oh, it's a good. Yeah. Oh. It's 40.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Can I do with you dumbbell press? Yeah, I am sure. I'm sure, bro.
Perfect. Yeah. And little bit your knees position. You need stay like this, you know, little bit.
Cleaner surprises a bodybuilder by joining him for a set of heavy squats, testing their strength together. A gym girl and the cleaner share the pull-up bar, showcasing their fitness skills and creating a friendly gym atmosphere. A bodybuilder takes on the challenge of a heavy deadlift alongside the old man, creating an amusing workout scene.
Yeah, yeah. I work in here 5 years, and every night I training. Yes. It's heavy. Yes. No problem.
Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route.
I'm sorry.
Oh. 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 No.
No teeth, I touch and crease. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She bust it open for a real.
Oh. 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 Oh.
Cleaner Anatoly initially struggles with a heavy squat. However, he surprises a bodybuilder by lifting the weight effortlessly. After lifting a 40 kg weight, Anatoly nonchalantly claims it's easy, revealing it's a fake weight. Anatoly shocks a bodybuilder and trainer by lifting an unexpectedly heavy weight, creating laughter and astonishment in the gym.
I want to be the best cleaner in this city. I'm sorry. Like this? I think it's fine.
Oh, my back. Oh.
Oh, what is this? Is it good or? Very nice. Yes, but it's very important. I'm sorry. Ooh, yes. Whew.
Old man shocks a bodybuilder and his friend by effortlessly lifting a heavy chest press, leaving them in disbelief. Cleaner Anatoly playfully flirts with a gym girl, showing off his pull-up skills and abs while offering assistance, impressing the girl with his charm.